Hi, this is Paula with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add SparkPost to your AEvent account. Before we start, please make sure you have your SparkPost API key handy. You can get it from your SparkPost account settings. Alright, once you're logged into AEvent, please click on Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Simply look for SparkPost by typing it in the search box. Click Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. Here I'm typing SparkPost 1 for my SparkPost integration. Click on Connect. Now it will ask for your API key. Simply paste it in and click Continue. Alright, once done, go back to your list of integrations and look for SparkPost. Let's click on Test, and there you go. We have successfully added SparkPost to our integrations. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.